I'm gonna make hot cinnamon twisters, which my mom used to make. This is her recipe. So we start out with a third cup sugar, 1¼ teaspoon of cinnamon, which I've already mixed up together, a 1/4 cup of butter. Now it says to melt it in on the stove in a pan, but I melt it in the microwave. It's just it's faster. 10 pack of canned biscuits, which I preheat the oven to 425. Grease cookie sheet, which I got to spray. Which, I mean, probably don't since I got the parchment paper on it. And in small bowl, mix sugar and cinnamon in small saucepan over low heat, which I've already done the butter in the microwave. So you flatten the biscuit with each hand and dip in butter, then in cinnamon sugar mixture. Twist 2 to 3 times, place on cookie sheet. Bake 10 to 15 minutes. Flatten it out. Then I'm going to do like that. I'm just going to do it like this for right now. Okay, you do like, I just stretch it a little bit. Dip it in the butter. I used to make these for my kids too. They really liked them when they were growing up. Something fast to make for breakfast. I did a lot of baking when my kids were coming up, and I did from scratch too a lot. Instead of rolling it in here, I'm just going to sprinkle some of this cinnamon sugar mixture all over it on both sides. Oh, I hope you can see this. And with this, you can put as much cinnamon sugar on it as you want to your liking. These are really good. I like the big and flaky ones because they come out bigger. And then bind the small biscuits. What you do is you stretch it. I'm trying to fold it and twist. It's like making cinnamon twisters. Stretch it out a little bit, fold it, twist. This is really inexpensive to make. Preheated the oven to 425. I'm going to put them in the oven for 10 minutes and I'm going to check them. While we're doing that, waiting for the cinnamon twisters to get done, we're going to go start on the icing. We got to put 1 cup confectioner sugar, which is powdered sugar, and then you're going to get a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now pour that slowly because so it don't overfill. So you got that. 1 teaspoon water. You just stir that up. But if you need more water, then you put more water in it, which I think I might, because yeah, let me just put a little bit at a time. And if it gets too runny, you can always put more sugar in it. There you go. I think that's enough. Because you're going to want to make it to where it will drizzle over it. It's like a donut icing. There we go. I think that's a good consistency. And then when the twists get done, then you want to pour this over that while it's warm. What I'm going to do is add a little bit of cinnamon sugar to the icing too. You don't have to do that. I just prefer to do it. To add a little flavor to it. That's cinnamon sugar because I like it.